As a woman compared to a man, I have more options to get more jobs than a man, making women to have more opportunities to make money than men. Nollywood actress Linda Osifo speaks out after being asked why female actresses make more money than their male colleagues. Anyways, guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel for another celebrity latest. Mina K and GTV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you take come across this video, if not the first time this way they stop for this channel, please enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. So my people, let's dive into today's matter. We will talk about this, our king of comedy, Basket Mouth, as he welcomes his third child after 3 miscarriages. My people, this one a painful matter. But before then, we go talk about this answer where our Nollywood actress Linda Osifo take give am under an interview where Ebuka take interview am. So my beautiful people, a lot of questions don dey pop up, like why e be say female actresses for Nollywood they sabi make am. Today they don get endorsement, today they don build house, today they don buy new car. A lot of people take the talk say na sugar daddies take dey do am o, or na say they dey do krukere waka for Nollywood. Na why that say they go dey sleep with producers, directors and a whole lot of you na sabi na a lot of illicit affairs as the TikToker. So for interview where Ebuka Obi Uchendu take they ask this our Nollywood actress, like how is it possible, or what is the main reason behind the success of female actresses than male actresses in Nollywood, my people. Make we read wetin she talk. Nollywood actress Linda Osifo has explained why most women in the movie industry are more successful than their male colleagues. When asked why women do better, have more cars than the men in the industry, Osifo, speaking during an interview with Ebuka Obi Uchendu on Robin Minds, said there are so many more avenues for women to make money than men. According to her, actresses have ambassadorial deals from wig brands, skincare, clothing brands, which is why some of them have more money than men and are able to acquire houses. Linda said, as a woman compared to a man, I have more options to get more jobs than a man. I can advertise hair, wigs, shoes, and a wide range of clothes from brands which most men cannot. The ratio of men to women is 1:3, which makes the market wider for us. I have become a brand ambassador to skincare brands, and that's an industry that men don't dominate and conquer, so this is how women are more successful. Women have more opportunities to make money. The 29-year-old actress said the mentality of the society that a woman can't make it on her own is the reason for the rumors that most actresses have illicit affairs. I've come to understand that society has the mindset that most women can't succeed on their own. It's a big problem because there are many women who are doing so much for themselves, she added. She noted that social media plays an important role in an actor's career because we are in a digital world, but talent sustains your success. The more people on social media platforms, the more you can market to them. But at the end of the day, talent sustains success, she said. Finish quote. So my people, una don hear by una self how she take talk say this one way una dey talk say na illicit affairs dey take make Nollywood actresses dey actually acquire a lot of wealth compared to their male colleagues. Say no be true. Say they get a lot of opportunities where they fit take make their own money, my beautiful people. I see the matter say, but kind of true. They do brand ambassadors for a lot of skincare products, a lot of wigs, clothing brands. Una sabi na my people. I see and say no. Maybe me bring and come share am with una. Me don't know wetin una think about this particular video or this particular topic wey dey talk about am. Make una write for comment section wetin una think about am. Like, is it true or na illicit affairs they take dey do this Nollywood actresses dey prosper, or na their hard work? Yes, make una write for comment section while we take dive for the next matter So my beautiful people, as the matter dey, this one na why we dey take jolly our heart. E get the way this one dey do us, my people. Our king of comedy, basket mouth, don welcome e third child after 3 miscarriages. My people, make we read. Seems God has finally answered the endless prayers of comic king basket mouth and wife Elsie as they are expecting their third child after having 3 miscarriages. And basket mouth wife Elsie celebrates her birthday today, July 13, 2021. And as part of her birthday celebration, she decided to share her testimony with fans by posting photos of her baby boom and thanking God for answering her prayers even though it was very difficult. According to Elsie, though she has 2 children, she has been yearning to have a third child, hence took to her knees and made it her key prayer point, and even thought it wasn't easy as she had 3 miscarriages along the line. God has been faithful to her that she has her third child now. So my beautiful people, it gets the way it say. When I don't hear my people, she say, I pray for this endlessly. I craved for it desperately. Yeah, even after 2 kids and after 3 miscarriages, God said it was time. His perfect time. It's a new chapter. My people, I see, I said, no, me suppose bring her out, make we carry body, take jolly with this our basket mouth and him wife Elsie. Come congratulate Sam. This one a better example for tell all those people wey dey look for the fruit of the womb. My people say, no matter how you take dey get miscarriages, when your time take reach for take born, when your time take reach wey your answers go be, your prayers go be answered, nothing no go fit block am. My people, she come out, can't give am out to people, say she don lost 3 other pregnancies, like 3 miscarriages, my people, and we take know how e dey. She say even though she take get 2 children before, but she don dey pray for take get number 3, and because say she don dey pray for that, my people, na so she don lost 3 babies or 3 pregnancies, as I fit call her, my people, and it don't be a lot of trauma for her, my people. And but now when her birthday, so she don't come out to come share with us, say, oh my people, make una join mouth with me, oh, make we take thank God about this our miracle way dey on its way dey come, my people. I see am, I say no, make I bring her too for here, make we take our mouth to take jolly with them, because no be only matter for Saturday or matter for aproko or amebo wey we suppose take mouth put, even matter for celebration. Now my people, we suppose come out, come celebrate with those who need to be celebrated. Oh, but you know me say if they can't do one kind waka, we no go chook mouth there, oh, we go chook mouth. After all, now I'm a boy with them, my people. Anyways, we go stop this video for here. But if you dare you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please just smash that red subscribe button and turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. I'll see you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.